Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and as I'm walking around going to all my sites that I had to do the research on the internet here in Lviv, I came across something that's kind of interesting. So I thought I'd share that with you so that maybe you have a heads up and you can make your time here in Lviv a little bit more productive. Thanks everybody. So check this out. So everywhere I go, there seems to be one of these things. And so it has a barcode that you can scan, and then it has a number. And then what's amazing is that it tells you where the next one is. So number 3 is that way. So if I stay on number 3, I mean, you get to see these beautiful places and such, but there's little arrows all over the place. Like there's another one, number 3. You know, do you need a map? But I guess I wish I knew what they were. You know, they have the barcode thing that they scan, but none of it's in English. So you know, for us Americans, it's not, but at least you can go find the site. So here's another one, 3. And then look, what's that one say? Number 4, that way. And so they just keep going around and around and around. And so if you really wanted to see something amazing, this is what you do. You just follow the, I guess you can't say it's a yellow brick road, but we could say, follow the white brick road. Follow the white brick road. Follow the little white brick road. Okay, that's it. That's my rendition of the Dwarfs and the Wizard of Oz. Bye, everybody.